Hey guys, this is James Bruce from Makeuseofme.tk, and this is the Cubify Cube 3D printer. It costs $1,300 at retail, and you need to use these $50 cartridges straight from Cubify. So it's a bit more expensive than most DIY 3D printers. However, like most 3D printers, it's very noisy and very slow. This particular print has estimated 11.5 hours to finish, so I'm going to be here for a while. It comes with 25 free prints that you can just plug in and print straight away, or you can download .stl files from Thingiverse or even from the new Pirate Bay Physicals section. The Cube is the first 3D printer aimed at consumers and home users. So it's a really well put together machine. There's no fiddly parts, you don't have to build anything yourself. It's just all there, you plug it in and it works. However, even then, you're still going to have to do some kind of cleaning procedures every couple of prints. Although it claims to print in PLA and ABS, it doesn't have a heated print bed. So, unlike many 3D printers which will warm the print as it's printing, the ABS prints, they tend to warp and they will push off of the print bed if they're too large. The PLA prints, however, are fantastic. You can't actually see it, but inside this chest piece, there's even a little staircase running through the middle. It's fantastic. So anyway, go check out my full review for some more detailed photos and to enter the competition to win this model for yourself. Thank you.